Happy morning, darlings. So, I'm looking forward to the session. The title of the session is very, very interesting and intriguing. मौत से भी नहीं मरने वाले हम. Now, what would that mean? What kind of insight do we want to give to kids in this session? Let us now look at ourselves and this amazing opportunity called KMM from very different lens, from very different eyes. Now, as we take today's session, my request to all of you is forget that you are over here for KMM. Forget that you are going to go to the classrooms and deliver a session. Just be here as two friends, you and me, having a conversation on some aspects of life. I love conversations, and I believe the best of insights, the strongest of bondings happens through conversations, a heart-to-heart conversation. So forget your role of a teacher, forget your age, forget your gender, forget your education, forget all the labels that you have. And for about 1 hour 45 minutes, let us go on an extraordinary journey of life. If you need to say a few years down the line that one Sunday morning my life changed completely, may today's session be that session for you and for me. We are about 234 people together live right now. And there will be some friends who might be joining us on Facebook. For each one of us present over here today, let's see if we can listen with an open mind, an open heart, and see what this session does to us. The whole session today has only 4 parts. But each one of these parts might open something within you and you like it. So what is part number 1? It is my conviction that the biggest fears of life are actually the biggest opportunities of life. The biggest fears of life are actually the biggest opportunities of life. Which means, what is the role of fear in our life? What is the role of opportunities in our life? What is the role of failure in our life? What is the role of setbacks in our life? Because our fears are of what? Failures. Fear is of what? Setbacks. Fear is of what? Some kind of a loss. Now, if I can have a grip on fear, and if I feel friendly with fear, if I become very comfortable with fear, what kind of a life will I live? Now, let me set some context. We have discussed fear once earlier in a session in a very small way. Today, let me give you a context to understand fear. We had this incredibly powerful third session called Bharat at 100. And in that session, we made an appeal for people to send in their videos on how would they like Bharat to be at 100. I have a Nandalal Sharma who is, I think about 65 years old. Nandalalji, what's your age, if I may ask? 64? Did I hear 64? Okay. Now he has created a video for Bharat at 100, and it's an exceptional goal that he has set for himself. He said, I will take at least 1,000 sessions of KMM in the next few years. I know the impact the sessions have inside the classroom. I will take at least 1,000 sessions, which means maybe every week one session for the next few years. And he has all plans to reach century in his age and be there strong and alive when we cross Bharat at 100. In fact, all of us present over here should be present for Bharat at 100. Now, when a Nandalji at 64 is able to dream about something as good as I will have 1,000 sessions, what stops some of us from making that commitment? Bharat at 100. थोड़ा डर लगता है क्या? इतना बड़ा नहीं सोचना है. Maybe it is not my cup of tea. नहीं हुआ तो isn't what you are afraid of actually your biggest opportunity? We don't set big goals for ourselves because of fear. And isn't that fear going to stop us from living up to our potentials? Hence, it's a very simple statement. The biggest fears are actually the biggest opportunities. It's a very, very powerful statement. From today onwards, if you can look at life this way, whatever I'm afraid of, I'm going to conquer that. मतलब डर में इतनी ताकत नहीं होनी चाहिए कि मुझे मजबूर कर दे. Just think about it. खुशबू को फैलने का शौक तो है, मगर खुशबू को फैलने का शौक तो है, मगर मुमकिन नहीं है ये हवा से दोस्ती के बगैर. खुशबू को फैलने का शौक तो है, मगर मुमकिन नहीं है ये हवा से दोस्ती के बगैर. What is खुशबू here? Your potentials, your dreams. What is हवा here? Your fears. उसके साथ अगर कंफर्ट नहीं बनाओगे, उसको दुश्मन की तरह रखोगे, दोस्त नहीं बनाओगे, तो जो आप कर सकते हो वो शायद आप कर नहीं पाओगे. Now, to break your fears, let me give you an extraordinary 2 words. What are these 2 words? सीख लेंगे. What do I mean by सीख लेंगे? Very simple. Learning never ends. I give in to my fears because I believe I can't learn. Because I believe I won't improve. Because I'm very comfortable in what I know, but I'll be very uncomfortable to become better. We want to dream based on our present capacity. We must dream based on our potential capacity. What do I mean by this? Let's say I'm a piece of iron, a normal, regular piece of iron. Ashish Kasat over here is a iron trader. And if I ask Ashish, अरे यार 12 mm टॉर का रेट क्या भाई? आशीष है क्या? आशीष कैसेट?
यस यस
हाँ, आशीष 12 mm टॉर का क्या रेट है भाई?
36.
तू इतने उदास होकर बोल रहा है, लग रहा है कि बहुत ज्यादा स्टॉक रह गया, महंगा खरीदा हुआ है. 36 rupees per kg. Now this is your existing capacity. 36 rupees per kg. If you are also like me a piece of iron, your present value is 36 rupees. But if you work on this iron a little, cast it, and make it into that 1 kg iron का भार जिसमें तोलते हैं ना अपन दुकान में. Now that 1 kg iron bar, you might get it at 55 rupees. Now from 36 rupees, you add something to yourself, your value becomes 55, which is almost 50% more. Now if you always look at yourself based on your present capacity, you are that a little 1 meter long iron rod, which is 1 kg, which is only 36 rupees. But if you work on yourself a little more, you become 55 rupees. And why wait there? I enjoy going to the race course in Pune for a jog, and those horses over there inspire me with their grace, with their speed, and with the quantity of running that they do. Those horses below their feet have something called the horse shoe. वो भी लोहे का होता है. But it has to go through some more treatment, some flattening, some strengthening. Now 4 of these horse snails put together is about 1.1 kg. And what is the value of that? 2000 rupees per kg. ₹2,000 per kg. Your present value, 36 rupees. Possible value, 55 rupees. Little more effort, possible value, 2000 rupees. In my entire childhood, I've enjoyed traveling by trains. And it was fascinating for me to see the springs under the engines. Now, I've seen the springs in my bicycle. I've also seen those springs in a car. But I used to be fascinated by the springs of these huge locomotive engines. You know what's the value of that spring? By the way, that spring is also made of iron. 4,000 rupees per kg. It takes the weight of an entire locomotive. And talking of springs, if I work on the springs more and more, and create springs which is there inside the Swiss watches, now the cost of that iron spring inside the watch of a Swiss company is only 1 lakh rupees per kg. The truth is, today you are 36 rupees per kg. truth is, if you dream based on your present capacity, you will just want to survive. या जितना समझता है, जितना आता है उतना करो. And the truth also is, if you dare to see yourself as आज 36 का हूं, लेकिन 1 लाख रुपए भी मेरा भाव हो सकता है ना. वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए 2 शब्द चाहिए बस. सीख लेंगे. Vijay Rathi runs a 100 crore farmer distribution company. He looks at his life from his present capacity. He will look at, अरे यार 100 करोड़ में कितना प्रॉब्लम है यार, कितने सारी तकलीफें हैं यार, कितने सारे इश्यूज है यार, पेमेंट का भी प्रॉब्लम है, डिस्पैच का भी प्रॉब्लम है, टैली करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम है, उसके बाद में ड्रग्स का रेगुलेशन और उसके ऊपर हमारा एसोसिएशन. बाप रे बाप, बहुत हेडेक है, बहुत हेडेक है. That is his present capacity. You see this small moon? That's our present capacity. And you see the full moon? That is our potential capacity. Who you are today is that crescent. What you can be is the full moon. If you dream only based on your present capacity, congratulations, fear will be a part of your life. Anxiety, stress, sadness, frustration, irritation will be your daily companions. रोज उनके साथ चाय पियो, नाश्ता करो, खाना खाओ, रात को सपनों में भी उनसे मिलो. But if you say, सीख लेंगे, so much of your life changes. Bharat at 100 is not about your present capacity. Bharat at 100 is all about the potential capacity. Who you are today and who I am today cannot create great Bharat for 100. नहीं हो सकता हमसे. But who we can be can create the best country in the world. लेकिन कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा. आज जो है वो पर्याप्त नहीं है. This is not enough. लेकिन we can be magic. How many of you, now raise your hands when I ask you this question, how many of you have heard about a country called Japan? Okay, fair enough, very good. And how many of you have heard about a continent called Africa? Raise your hands if you have heard me. Oh, excellent. Everyone, wow, this is magic. Do you know Japan is the 3rd biggest economy in the whole world? Of course, you must be knowing this. Do you know the population of Japan? As per 2019, the population of entire Japan was 12.65 crores. $12.65 crores, having the 3rd biggest economy in the whole world. A country which has 0 natural resources. You don't hear about great rivers in Japan. You hear about China, Huangho, Yangtze Kiang. These are 2 extraordinary big rivers. When Modi went to China, they were sitting on the banks of Yangtze Kiang and having a conversation. Africa, oh, River Nile, OMG. And you will see photographs from space station taken. Look how Nile looks like in the night, and it's beautiful. Ever heard of a great Japanese river? Any great Japanese mine? Coal hai, iron ore hai, bauxite hai. Anybody goes to Japan to see the wild animals there? क्या zebra है वहां के, क्या कंगारू है वहां पे, क्या lions है, क्या elephants है. For some reason, he has created a joke. He's created a country called Japan, not given it any natural resource. Zero natural resources. And on top of that, he's made that country on a fault line where every now and then earthquakes can come and volcanoes can happen. अब या तो तुम डर के मर जाओ, कुछ नहीं हमारे पास यार, क्या हो सकता है. अगर मेरे पास नाइल होता, और उसके ऊपर कभी भी अर्थक्वेक, एनी टाइम वॉल्केनोस, माउंट फुजियामा कैन बर्स्ट इनटू वॉल्केनो एनी टाइम. अभी डर के जियो तुम, पता नहीं कब अर्थक्वेक होगा, पता नहीं कब वॉल्केनो होगा, पता नहीं, पता नहीं, पता नहीं, डर के जियो. और बोलो सीख लेंगे. In this kind of a natural atmosphere, if we still have to be one of the best in the world, क्या करना चाहिए? मालूम नहीं है, सीख लेंगे. And that is what makes a country with 12.65 crore people become the third biggest economy in the whole world. And India is not in the top 3. फिर उसके बाद में जर्मनी है, उसके बाद में इंडिया है. And all of us have one good news, right? Japan has what? 12.65. जापान को हमने बहुत पीछे छोड़ दिया. हमारे पास तो 130 करोड़ लोग हैं. We have 10 times more population and half the economy. You understand what it means? Every Japanese does 20 times more than an average Indian. If Arvind Agarwal on an average is earning 1 lakh, an average Japanese over there is earning 20 lakhs. अरे वो भी इंसान है, वो भी मां के कोख में 9 महीना रहते हैं और वो भी वैसे ही पैदा होते हैं जैसे तुम और मैं पैदा हुए. फर्क क्या है? सीख लेंगे. They are willing to think long term. 10 years down the line, what should happen in Japan? And that is why Bharat at 100 is such a powerful thing. You look at your life from your today's capacity, you will not be able to dream. But you look at life from a future capacity, मेरे पास टाइम है सीखने के लिए, मैं सीख सकता हूं. And in that, if you are scared, imagine you going inside the classroom and telling children about, in life you don't get what you desire, you get what you deserve, CRSE, dream big. कैसे बोलोगे तुम? How you would go inside the classroom and say, come on, make these videos and send? It's almost like somebody who's 165 kgs, he starts a gym and stands at the counter and tells, आ जाओ मेरे जिम में, एकदम फिट हो जाओगे. सर आप जिम नहीं करते हो, तुम लोगों के लिए बनाया है. I'm assuming you go inside the classroom and your children ask you, ma'am, what was your Bharat at 100? Sir, can you share your Bharat at 100 with us? And you might say, no, I will send of one boy who has sent. Why you will not be able to do it? डर लगता है. डर क्यों लगता है? I am looking at life from my present capacity, not my potential capacity. Africa is the richest part of the world when it comes to natural resources. You name the biggest rivers, it is there. You name the biggest mines, it is there. You speak about the wildest animals, it is there. Greatest of flora and fauna, huge mountains, big deserts, Saharan desert, gold, silver, bauxite out of which aluminum is made, diamonds, everything is there in Africa. Africans don't say seekh lenge. As a result of which, it is the poorest continent in the whole world in spite of being richest in natural resources. Will your story be the story of Africa or will your story be the story of Japan? What is your story? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's forget about Africa, let's forget about Japan. Let's create a new word today, Jafrica. चलो एक कुछ नया बनाते हैं. Inspired by Japan, understanding that you and me have all the resources of Africa within us. Yeah, you have KMM in your life. You have life school in life. You have such beautiful groups of people in your AC groups. If this is not the natural resources of Africa, what would be? Now, can you imagine for a few minutes, if you have the mindset of Japan and the resource set of Africa, what will you create in this world? And that's what Bharat at 100 looks like. Beautiful, very prosperous, very peaceful, and able to guide the whole planet on what is the right way to live life. Let's become Jafrica. Why do all this? Let me shift to another tone now. Let me shift from the tone of power to the end. I love to read scriptures. I read all kinds of scriptures from all the religions in the world. And what is fascinating is all these scriptures speak gloriously about death. They say your death is actually your defining point. And by the time you are close to death, you should be fearless. You should believe nothing is incomplete about my life. The other day I read a story which Shripal Gandhi also shared with me after a few days about how a person who was a billionaire, about $7 billion I believe, he donated all his money as he's alive. That was his life goal. He said, I'll keep 1 million in my bank for me and my wife. That is more than enough for us for the last few years. I want to donate all my money when I am alive. The most glorious death I have witnessed and I have known of is Mother Teresa. You know how many people turned up for this final journey? About 1 million people, about 10 lakh people. Calcutta had a population of about 1 crore. 4 lakh people came from all over the globe, and 6 lakh people of Calcutta were there on the few kilometers of journey when Mother Teresa's wake was passing by. 6 lakh locals. 4 lakh people from out of town. What a life. I've shared this earlier, but repetition is the mother of learning and the father of invention. Presidents and prime ministers from 110 countries were lining the streets of Calcutta along with the rickshawalas to pay homage to her during her last journey. She had no power per se, she could not transfer officers. She didn't have wealth which she can give to people. All she had was love. कैसी जिंदगी थी वो? How should our end be? How many lives do you believe you want to touch? Don't think from your present capacity. Think from your future capacity. How many lives would you love to impact? Remember Kabir's Doha? कबीरा जब हम पैदा हुए, जग हंसे हम रोए, ऐसी करनी कर चलो, हम हंसे और जग रोए. When we die, we should go laughing. And the world should say, mat ja yaar. And we should go feeling blissful कि यार क्या जिंदगी जिया है, मजा आया. The fact is, when we were born, we cried and everybody was happy. अरे वाह, बच्चा हो गया. Let's live life this way. Let's go the way Mother Teresa went. How do you know that you have lived a good life? Let me also define good life for you. In Kashmir, they say 3 things make a great life: रसूक, रुतबा और रौब. इन तीनों शब्दों का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by rasuk? Rasuk means influence. Rasuk means impact. Rasuk means कितने लोगों की जिंदगी में किस तरह का प्रभाव किया आपने? In how many lives, in what ways did you influence? So we have a Rajesh Tekriwal. tirelessly works. He works on 2 dimensions. And every time we have a chat, Rajesh tells me, how should I become a little more pure? मतलब मेरी जो आत्मा है ना, उसके आसपास किसी भी तरह की गंदगी नहीं होनी चाहिए. वो ईगो हो तो ठीक, एरोगेंस हो तो ठीक, जजमेंट्स हो तो ठीक, ये सब गंदगी है. मेरे को ना साफ सुथरा रहना है, प्योर रहना है. And I guess that is what is spiritual evolution, is what Rajesh says. So one aspect of his life journey is how to become a pure soul. And second aspect of his life journey is how to give more. And with a laughter he always says, ज़्यादा दूंगा तो ही तो ज़्यादा मिलेगा. दिया नहीं, जगह खाली हुआ नहीं तो रखूंगा कहां. That is his way of saying, I don't want to hoard wealth. Somebody else out there needs that, so it should reach to them. And that guy thought the same way, donating $6 billion. जिसको जरूरत है अभी दे दो ना. A cow and a pig were having a conversation. And the pig was looking at the cow and say, I don't know why people worship you so much and why people hate me. I know why everybody wants you to in life and nobody wants to have me. I don't know why you are named with grace and I am called with galis. तुम गाय हो मतलब you are a very nice person. साफ सुथरे, समझदार, सरल. और किसी को देख के बोला ना सुअर हो. At least in Hindi it is certainly not a compliment. So this pig is complaining to the cow. Why you are respected and why I am not? Because my flesh is tasty, bacon is made, people really enjoy it. So when they look at me, they should respect me, na? The cow smiled and said, there is only one difference between you and me. I give to people when I'm alive. You give only after death. So people are waiting for you to die. चला गया तो कुछ मिलेगा यार. And people want me to be alive क्योंकि जब तक जिंदा है मैं कुछ दे रही हूं. अरे जो पेड़ से हमको रोज आम मिलते हैं उस पेड़ को मैं क्यों काटूं? और वो भी क्यों उस पेड़ को उखाड़ेगा? This is what Rasuk is all about. Influence, impact. It can be directly, it can be indirectly, it can be the way you live your life. Where the way you live your life inspires people. So in Kashmir they say 3 things make a great life. Rasuk, influence, rutba. What is rutba? Your social stature, your reputation. When people speak about you, do they speak with reverence? It can be for a skill you have, like a Zakir Hussain plays tabla, kya tabla bajata hai yaar, kamal ho gaya, bahut acha tabla bajata hai. He may inspire a few more people, he may not inspire a few people, but people speak about him with respect. So that is what rutba is all about. एक respect है, एक acceptance है, एक reverence है, एक social standing है, इन इंसानों की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर लुक्ड अप टू. इंसान ऐसे होने चाहिए. दैट इज रुतबा. When somebody can look at you and say, this is how a mother should be, this is how a father should be, this is how a KMM volunteer should be, this is how an AC should be, फिर तुम्हारा रुतबा है. And I'm not going to go into, do people look at you and say, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा बॉस नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे एम्प्लॉइज नहीं चाहिए. Even if you're traveling in an Uber, you might say, यार ड्राइवर ऐसा होना चाहिए. You might sit in somebody's car and say, यार कार ऐसा होना चाहिए. Fundamentally, रुतबा is, the world looks at you and says, वाह. तुमको देख के किसी के होठ से अगर वाह निकला, मतलब तेरा रुतबा है. किसी ने देख के तुमको देख के बोला छी, फिर वो रुतबा नहीं है. So in Kashmir they say 3 things makes a great life. Rasuk, your influence, your impact. Rutba, your stature, your reputation, your standing. The wah part of your life. And the third is rob. What is rob? Now remember, this is an Urdu word, this is not an English word. So don't say rob matlab chal jaake kahin se kuch to bhi chori karke laate hain. Not ROB, rob. Rob. What is rob? Rob is something which creates an awe. When people look at you and say, इससे हो सकता है, हमसे नहीं हो सकता. Fundamentally, rob is a combination of 2 words, style and courage. You have a style with which you do things. And you have courage. When you have courage, your present capacity does not define your dreams. Your potentials define your dream. When you live your life with a rob, you set your own terms and conditions when you live, when you interact, when you set goals, when you handle challenges. It's almost like you are always in control. कुछ भी तुमको ही बेचैन नहीं कर सकता. That's rob. और जो करते हो ना, एक तरीके से, एक सलीके से, एक स्टाइल के साथ करते हो. You set your own terms and conditions even in difficult situations. In the recent past, think about squadron leader Abhinandan, whose plane crashed and who had to parachute, who landed in Pakistan. And the people over there were stunned with the style and grace with which he conducted himself. Fearless. And with absolute dignity. No panic. Is what rob is all about. So Rasuk, Rutba, and rob. मेरे और आपके अंदर ना ये तीनों चाहिए अपने को. रसूक, रुतबा, रॉब. ये तीनों चाहिए यार. I remember an interaction with Mother Teresa, which I was watching on TV. And she said something which is so outstanding. And that has become a mantra of my life. The interviewer asked her, you and your sisters and brothers go to the most dangerous places in the world. You go where there is wars, where bullets are flying, and you attempt to help the wounded soldiers. You go to places where family members have run away, where there is a pandemic, and without caring for your own safeties, once again you go and help people. कैसे करते हो? मौत का डर नहीं लगता? You're not scared of death. She said, to you, what is death? And the reporter was fumbling for answer. What is death? मैं तो सोचा ही नहीं कभी. I mean, I die means I die. I mean, soul is not there inside my body anymore. He smiled and said, yeah, that is one kind of death. And then Mother Teresa defined death. She said, as long as you are alive with fondness in somebody's memory, you don't die. As long as you're alive with fondness in somebody's memory, you don't die. And then she smiled and said, that's why in Christianity we say, Jesus walks with us. Physical death is not important. What is important is, for centuries, Jesus stays in somebody's heart with fondness, giving them strength, showing them the path, making them believe the future will be ours. मौत से नहीं मरने वाले हम, वो मुश्किल क्या हमें खाक मारेगा? जो किस्मत उसने लिखी है वो तो मिल ही जाएगी. अपनी किस्मत खुद लिख दे तो मजा आ जाएगा. That is what Rasuk, Rutba and Rob is all about. We are going to be immortal and we are not going to die because of Rasuk, Rutba and Rob. The mind refuses to visualize from 36 rupees iron to a 1 lakh rupee iron because it is scared and it is unsure. There is a well. Inside that well, there are a lot of mosquitoes. Existence is playing its role in such a way that if these special mosquitoes can leave the water of the well and come outside the well, it immediately becomes a beautiful butterfly. Inside the well, these mosquitoes keep discussing what would life be like outside because they've never left the well. And the water of the well is about 20 feet deep. So they can only see one small patch of sky. They can listen to a lot of sounds, but they don't know how life is like that over there. So these water insects can potentially become a butterfly, but they die as water insects. One water insect one day had courage and said, my present capacity won't define me. Let me leave this. It's a little scary. I don't know what life is like that out there. I definitely know my life over here. यहां 2 दिन की भी जिंदगी है तो मालूम है कैसे मरने वाले हैं, मकोड़े की तरह मरने वाले हैं, लेकिन मालूम है आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद दिस नॉलेज. बाहर जाके पता नहीं क्या होगा. बट दिस वन वाटर insect decided, I'm going to go out. Goes out, becomes a butterfly. Sees people looking at butterfly with a lot of love and reverence. Everybody is appreciating. Goes and sits on a flower. The flower happily gives its nectar to the butterfly. What an extraordinary life. What a beautiful life. And then it remembers, अरे यार, मेरे बहन भाई मेरी बिरादरी वाले सब उधर है, चलो जाके उसको बुलाता हूं, उनको सबको बोलता हूं, बाहर आओ बाहर आओ बाहर आओ, बहुत अच्छी जिंदगी है यहां पे. The butterfly goes, now it is a butterfly, it cannot go back inside the water. Because if it goes, it will die. And from there, looking down, it says, come up. And all the water insects are looking up and talking to each other and saying, I don't know why this butterfly is roaming over here. I don't know if it is attempting to eat us up. I don't know what is the trap. अपना एक भाई गया था थोड़े दिन पहले हिम्मत करके, देखो वापस ही नहीं आया आज तक. बाबा इधर ही रहो, ऐसा ही रहो, अच्छे से रहो, कोई जरूरत नहीं उधर उड़ी मारने का. And the butterfly had tears in his eyes because it could understand the conversation going on. And it realized they have to have the courage to get out of this by themselves. If they have the courage, they will see what a life is possible. But वो डर में रह गया ना, comfort में रह गया ना, it will die like that water insect. Flying out and becoming a butterfly is writing that destiny yourself. You know the lines that I just said, जो किस्मत उसने लिखी है वो तो मिल ही जाएगी. अपनी किस्मत खुद लिख दें तो मजा आ जाएगा. He has definitely given us a beautiful life. वो तो उसकी देन है. That is his greatness. That is his love. That is his affection. अब खुद की कुछ करे क्या? Thank you so much for giving this. Now let me create something magnificent out of my life. Flying out and becoming a butterfly, that is writing your own destiny. What are the insects in the well? That is the destiny that he gave. कि तुम्हारी किस्मत में इतना लिखा है, अब इसके आगे तुम्हारी मेहनत. This year, that is what KMM has been all about. Right from the first session, which is what's your story? इधर थोड़ा अच्छा सोच के देखो. 2, as you want to live by positive things, as you go out and work, chances are there will be some things which will go wrong. How do you handle disappointments? By being glad man. Brilliant. You know how to take care of yourself now. Now how to imagine even bigger and Rasuk, make an impact on your world. चलो भारत at 100 करते हैं. Every now and then, you still might become disturbed. How to feel in control. रॉब के साथ कैसे जिंदगी जी, रुतबा कैसे बनाए. To live well, breathe well. Take care of your health. Take care of your mind. Take care of your emotions. And don't give up on your dreams. You will live well. Even that has fallen into place. Now what to do? Okay, you have dreams, but you don't have the formula to make those dreams into reality. क्या? चलो ठीक है, I will give you consistent, refined, self-motivated efforts. वो भी हो गया. But now and then थोड़ा थोड़ा डर लगता है. अरे भाई, decide, make this mantra, I will make things happen. And since it's so much about students, chalo, I'll also give you some study techniques by which you can live a great life. Then I'm more or less ready, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा हेजिटेशन है. एक फाइनल सेशन देते हैं. मौत से नहीं मरने वाले हम, वो मुश्किलें क्या हमें खाक मारेगा? जो किस्मत उसने लिखी है वो तो मिल ही जाएगी, अपनी किस्मत खुद लिख दे तो मजा आ जाएगा. And with this, we deliver session number 7. This entire year, and the 7 sessions that we have this year, is A, to revolutionize our lives, to be, not live like Africa, but become Jafrica. Because fortunately, in the matters of potential, we are not like Japan, which has nothing given by the Creator, which is positive as resources. You and me are blessed people. We are Africa. We just need the determination and the willingness and the vision of Japan. Let's become Jafrica. और देखते कितना मजा आएगा. What do you guys say? Let's have an extraordinary, super powerful, brilliant last session. Towards the end of the session, you will also discuss with children a small analysis. So there will be a Google form link which will be given to you, which you will share with your class, and you will ask the children to fill up the Google form and return it back to us. The form has a few questions, and each question is like, let's say for example, session number 1 is what's your story? So the statement can be that I tell positive stories to myself. Before KMM, how much would you like to rate yourself from 0 to 5? Were you at 1? Were you at 2? Were you at 5? 5 means I was always positive, never negative in my life. 2 means more or less I am negative, but sometimes I am positive in life. 4 would mean most of the times I am positive, I tell myself positive stories. Very, very, very less, but very rare, but हो जाता है 15-20 दिन में कुछ गलत ख्याल. So before KMM where I was and after KMM where I am. Now you don't have to make all of them give the answers then and there inside the classroom. If you can do that, it will be awesome. You just leave the link with them and say, at your convenience, can you please fill this up and send it back to us? If we have been good teachers inside the classroom, every child inside the classroom should be able to fill the form and send it to us. If we have been below ordinary, then 10, 15, 20% will be able to write the form and give it back to us. So the number of forms we get would also reflect on the kind of teacher we have been there inside the classroom. So we are not asking them, rate the speakers on a scale of 0 to 5. Were they a big disappointment, which is like 0? Were they messengers of God for you, which is like 5? We are not asking them directly about you. But the way, the number of students who respond, based on that, we will share with you, this is what the children in your classroom think about how you performed inside the classroom. Now, for heaven's sake, don't tell them, hey, after KMM, na, give 5 for everything, okay? ऐसा मत करना भाई. Whatever is the right way by which they give a feedback to you, beautiful, take that feedback. This is how we create session number 7 of KMM. Now, something very beautiful, and you will understand how these sessions are created and what is the background. These sessions are not sessions just because I have an idea in my mind or just because looks like it can be a session which can be created. It is created with something very, very beautiful in the background. Let me share my screen with you, all of you. This picture is a technical understanding of what sessions we create and why, where do we get stuck in life, And who are those people who will always excel in life? You come across some people and you find one setback of life and they can't handle it. You come across some people where something may go wrong and they can't handle it. And you see some people having the raw confidence and saying, कुछ भी बना सकते हैं, कुछ भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, कोई भी मुश्किल हो उसको हम पार कर सकते हैं. Now, where does this raw confidence come from? Why some people able to make things happen? Why an Alexander can be outmaneuvered and have 10% of the soldiers yet emerges victorious in a battle? Why a Shivaji has insignificant less resources compared to his enemies and yet he establishes the huge Maratha Samrajya? ये होता क्या है? ये बनते कैसे हैं? Is it God's gift? Is it raw talent? Is it something inert? Or is it that what you and me can also do? Now let me club the beginning of the session to the end of the session. Now this we are not discussing inside the classroom. Now this that we have, let's say, recreated a little, the base of this idea is something which is called as the Bloom's taxonomy. It speaks about 6 levels of intelligence. It speaks about if you want to live a better life or a greater life, you will have to think at a higher level and not at a basic level. And unfortunately, that is where our education system is completely making our children at a disadvantage. The basic level of intelligence for anybody, which includes animals, is remembering. I study to remember. You give a child a very small division table, let's say 3, which divides 396. So 3 and 396. Now the child will know, okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay, answer aa gaya. But ask the child, how did this work? नहीं बता पाएगा. It has a formula which it knows. How does it work? नहीं मालूम. Pythagoras theorem, I memorized it. E is equal to mc square, memorized. 3 laws of Newton, memorized. 3 golden rules of accounting, memorized. There is extraordinary importance on memorizing, and in many schools, many teachers also tell the students, all you have to do is memorize and produce it in the answer papers. Don't bug me with questions, just memorize the answer. So history is not taught to me to understand how to live life with courage like Shivaji did. History does not teach me that if you exploit people like Aurangzeb, it can harm a lot of things. We are only taught to memorize. These are the dates when Shivaji was coronated. This is the date when he was put behind prisons in Dubai. If I base the intelligence of my life based on memory, anything which is not there in my memory looks like a threat to me. ये मुझे मालूम नहीं है, तो अगर मालूम नहीं है तो नहीं हो सकता. Our entire education system till class 10th is based on memory. As a result of which, when the child leaves class 10 and goes out, now when it has to understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, for 13 years it does not know how to do that from LKG to 10th standard. We can say, or yaar, why a Microsoft happens in US, why not in India? That is because Bill Gates does not base his life on memorizing things. And we make our children memorize things. Even the stories that we tell our children, let's say Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. every person who has a handsome prince has to be a beautiful girl. They have to be very fair looking. And this is drilled inside the children. Therefore, nobody likes Cinderella till she looks beautiful. And because she looks beautiful, the prince wants to marry her. Nobody wants to marry somebody who's hardworking. And we tell these stories to children entire life. And obviously, that's the memory of the child. And when the child grows up, if I'm not good looking, I'm not good enough. Shabana Azmi, when she was a child, she told her father, I want a beautiful Barbie doll. I want a very fair, beautiful Barbie doll. Her father, Kaifi Azmi, got her a black doll. And Shabana Azmi cried. I don't want this ugly doll. This is not a good doll. I only want a fair Barbie doll. And Kaifi Azmi refused to change the doll. Shabana Azmi in an interview later on says, my father spoke to me for months together that beauty is not on the skin. If you think this doll is ugly because the doll is black, that is not the right way to think. A doll is there to play, and what is black is also beautiful. And he went on to say Krishna was dark and black, and he is called God by Hindus. Jesus Christ was not shown as a very fair man. The child remembered beauty as fair. The father made her understand beauty does not mean skin color. That's the kind of parenting that we need in our world. Where even if the child cries because of a thinking over here which is wrong, the parents can be very patient and explain things superbly. Shabana Azmi says, probably that is why in an era where we had extraordinarily beautiful, fair women who were ruling Bollywood, a movie could be sold with Shabana Azmi as a heroine. And she is not a classic Indian beauty. She was dusky, sharper features than what is expected, and yet she could hold movies on her own, and she did not get reduced to being a bimbo or an addition to the glamorous hero. See what parenting did to her. So remembering, if that is the base, then we are living a very poor life. After remembering comes understanding. Yes, I will explain the session to you. You can take the session inside the classroom based on how you remember the points. Or you can take the session based on how your AC explains you the points. And then you attempt to remember, अच्छा क्या क्या हुआ था, क्या क्या हुआ था, क्या क्या बोलना है, क्या क्या बोलना है. Or you can understand the session. Mirror it with your life to find out, okay, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. And what is the proof that I have understood the session? When I can explain the session. If I can explain, then I have understood. If I can't explain, then I have not understood. दिस इज द सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. जो मेरे को समझा वो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर सकता. थर्ड इज अप्लाइंग. What's the relevance of this to my life? Where in my life I have to eliminate fear? Where in my life I need to dream not based on my present capacity but based on my potential capacity? I love it when Siddharth Gandhi sends a video, and in that video he speaks about 1 lakh people getting employment or 1 million? 1 million. Na? When Siddharth Gandhi says Bharat at 100 and says, what's my job? In India, the biggest problem is employment. I am working in the insurance sector, which has great capacity. Insurance penetration in our country is only 6.5%. 93.5% people don't have jobs, don't have insurance policies. तो उतने लोगों को सर्व करने के लिए सिर्फ इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में इतना काम है. I will ensure that Bharat at 100, by that time, at least 1 million people will get job through me. Now today in Siddharth's office, there are about 5 people who are working with you. Does he dream based on present capacity? Or does he dream based on potential capacity? Now this is implementation, which is about relevance. Correct? ये मेरे लाइफ में भी तो relevant है. In psychological words, we call it mirroring. Can I stand in front of the mirror, and in the mirror can I see the relevance? This is the third level of intelligence. Huh? Most people will die only on the lowest level, remembering. And I don't want our students to die only through remembering and producing in life what they remember, and they're scared of learning anything. Last night I was in a conversation, a global meet was there, where a few people from India, few people from Australia, few from New Zealand, few from Switzerland, few from Singapore, and few from US were there in that meeting. And we were talking about what is going wrong in the world in handling COVID. And in our own ways, can we influence the policymakers on can you do this little fine tuning and the impact will be much better on the society? क्या कर सकते हैं? What is going wrong? And we are talking about migrants going back to their home. And this is what I told them. I said the issue is not about migrant going home. The issue is not government is not efficient. The issue is not that poor people are not getting support. The issue is very simple. We do not want to learn. There is a person who was a mason till yesterday and I am telling him, ये plumbing का job है, 3 दिन में तेरे को ये काम सिखा देगा. नहीं साहब मेरे को आता नहीं. यार मैं बोल रहा हूं 3 दिन में तू सीख सकता है और इसमें तेरे को रोज के 600 रुपए मिलेंगे, 18,000 रुपए का काम आ जाएगा, तू वो मेसनरी का काम करके 12,000 कमाता है. नहीं साहब मेरे को नहीं आता है. अरे कोई तुमको काम दे रहा है, कोई तुमको सिखाने के लिए तैयार है. नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा. वो सीखने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. क्योंकि अगर सीखोगे तो रेलेवेंस मिलेगा. रेलेवेंस मिलेगा तो अप्लाई करोगे. I know a boy called Sagar. He used to live in the slums of Janwadi. Smoker, Charsi. He came to this beautiful organization where I do a little work, Jagruti. And they told him, why don't you become a nurse? He said, I have these bad habits. He says वो तुम्हारे को कैसे छोड़ना सिखा देंगे, तुम नर्स बन जाओ. मेल नर्सेस की बहुत कमी है, तो तुमको थोड़ा प्रीमियम भी मिलेगा. कितना मिलेगा? 10,000 रुपए तक मिलेगा महीने का. अच्छा ठीक. This guy learns, he likes. Now he starts going to the basti and telling all the boys. देख मैंने क्या सीखा मालूम, मैं तेरे को बताता है. He explains. One day in Jagruti, me and Sagar were having a chat and I asked him, Sagar, आगे जाना है कि पीछे रहना है? He said, मतलब? I said, देख तेरा नाम ना तालाब नहीं है, तेरा नाम कुआं नहीं है. तेरे माँ बाप ने सोच तेरा नाम अगर दिया होता ना, मेरे बेटे का नाम कुआं, मेरे बेटे का नाम तालाब, तेरा नाम सागर है. अब तू ये सोच के तेरे को कुएं जैसा जीना है, तालाब जैसा जीना है कि सागर बनना है. I think for the first time in his life he was proud of his name. And then he said, बोलिए साहब क्या करना होगा? I said, मैं तेरे को ट्रेन करेगा, तू नर्सिंग का बिजनेस चालू कर. जैसे जया ताई ने यहां पे 3 लड़कियों से चालू करके आज 500 लड़कियों को ट्रेन कर रही है, तेरे को करने का ऐसा कुछ करेगा ना साहब? He started finding relevance of his name, of the opportunities. Okay, let me cut a long story short. Right now he shifted to Dubai, where he started a nursing assistant school in Dubai. He is earning 2 lakh rupees per month. And this is a story of 4 years. In 4 years, a boy who started at 10,000 has grown to 2 lakh per month. And I am sure many of us over here are not earning 2 lakh rupees per month. I'm sure of that. Because he could apply what was taught. I didn't tell him about Dubai. He asked one day, सर दुबई में तो ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है सुनता है, मैं दुबई जाऊं क्या? सो दुबई तो कैसे जाएगा, जानता है किसी को? इसे नहीं पहचान निकाल लेगा ना अपन. This boy who stays in the slum says मैं दुबई में पहचान निकालूंगा. सीख लेंगे. And he's already got 4 more boys from the slums over here come to Dubai, and in Dubai base salary for this is 1.25 lakhs. He could analyze कि बस्ती में इतने लोगों को चाहिए, सिर्फ मैं वहां जाएगा ना तो शायद 10 साल में अपनी पूरी बस्ती चेंज हो जाएगी, क्योंकि सब लोगों को अच्छे से काम मिलेगा, सब इज्जत की जिंदगी जिएंगे. He could analyze it and then he could evaluate and make important choices of life. ठीक है, ये नशा सब छोड़ने का है, बिग चॉइस. मैं मेल हूं लेकिन नर्स बनने के लिए तैयार हूं, क्योंकि लोग हंसते हैं, अरे वो औरतों का काम है, तू क्या कर रहा है? I'll make that big choice and I will become a male nurse and I'll go to Dubai and I'll set up an agency in Dubai. Look at his important choices. And the highest level of intelligence is a willingness to produce something new, to create something new. I shared a link with Anil the other day. A friend of mine, Aviral Johri, has started a company in Bombay where they are introducing 360 different jobs only in the field of sports. Sports is booming like crazy, right from a masseuse who will do massage, to somebody who can take care of the kit, to the mental conditioning, to giving sports equipment on hire, to ensuring the diet of the sports people. See, so much work is there. If anybody is a sport lover, there is extraordinary career possibility in sports. So I said, Bhai, I will connect you to the Anil. Anil is the perfect person whom I know who's a sports lover. Between the two of you, if you can create something beautiful, I'll be so happy. नहीं, industry like this does not exist, but somebody is saying, सीख लेंगे. 6 levels of intelligence. Where do you find yourself most of the times? If you are staying in your comfort zone and if you say, what, माहित नहीं, अरे ये क्यों नहीं करता है, माहित ही नहीं, अरे सीख लेंगे बोलना चालू कर दे यार. If anybody tells you something and says, can you do this? Tell them सीख लेंगे. Don't say I don't know. Which means you are going beyond remembering. You will go into understanding. You will apply. Then you can analyze the good and the bad. See some insights which others are not able to see. Based on that, make the important choices of life. मेरे लिए क्या सही है? What is an important choice? I will not dream based on my present capacity. I will dream based on my potential capacity. And that is when a Siddharth Gandhi says, take 1 million people will get a job. Very important choice. Beautiful commitment. So proud of him. Ultimately, everything begins with a dream, na? So why don't we dream something really magnificent? I will share these 6 levels of smartness with you. Think about it. Now don't tell somebody, oh मेरे को ना वो 6 level मालूम है. Can you explain it to somebody? नहीं, वो मैं आपको नरेन का क्लिपिंग दिखाऊंगा. हाँ. Then you are still at base level number 1. I can only remember. After you explain it, can you find its relevance in your life? If I ask you, darling, would you like Bharat to be the number 1 country in the world in science and technology? Yes. Can you apply this? Would you like Bharat at 100 to be rape free? Would you like Bharat at 100, every child getting free education? Would you like Bharat at 100 to win maximum gold medals in Olympics? Not 1 or 2 gold medals. Maximum gold medal in Olympics. अरे सोना तो है ही अपने देश में, थोड़ा सोने के मेडल्स भी ले आए. Can you find relevance of this idea with your life? Let's see whether my percentage increases from 30% to 80% or not. लेकिन मैं छोड़ेगा नहीं. If necessary, I will make a personal call to you just to ask, भाई तेरा वीडियो नहीं आया है, क्या बात हो गया? फिर जो जवाब देंगे मेरे को समझ में आएगा, ये रिमेंबरिंग वाला है, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग वाला है, कि रिमेंबरिंग के नीचे भी कुछ है वहां पे है. पता नहीं, इसको 6 का 7 लेवल बना देंगे अपन फिर. मगर वी वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट समथिंग ब्रिलियंट. भारत एट 100 इज दैट लेवल 6. I'm talking to a few people about this idea. Okay, the chief mentor for Bharat at 100 is going to be Ganesh Natarajan. Spoke to him a few days ago and he was so excited about it. On Saturday, we had a meeting at Life School office and there were a few more people present in that meeting. He looked at all of them and said, you have to listen to Naren speak about Bharat at 100. If we can put our hands together and make that happen. You know, the way we speak about स्वतंत्र सेनानी थे अपने देश में, जिन्होंने इतनी सारी कुर्बानियां दी और भारत को आजादी दिलाई. You speak about them with reverence, right? Now imagine at that point of time there are some people who did not join the freedom struggle at all, who said काय को अपने को पंगा लेने का. And every day we would read in the newspaper, these many people died, Udham Singh died, Bhagat Singh died, this died, that died. And people at their home would be saying, अपने को नहीं करने का, उनको जो करना भाई करने दो. And then we'll of course talk about ये politicians ना कुछ ढंग का काम नहीं करते, इतना पैसा खाते हैं इन लोग कि बस. I think one level below that, below remembering, would be criticizing. And those people who walked in front, whether it is Lala Lajpat Rai, whether it is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, whether it is the other people right at the front, you would like to be one like that in Bharat 100? Or would you say, no, I want to be like one of those people who just watched everything happening? Whether you are with us or not, we will definitely create Bharat at 100 as something really beautiful. So all those of them who have given their videos, we are going to have a series of meetings where I'll attempt to put you up with some people who are extraordinary in the field in which you are interested. What we are doing in Bharat at 100, we are creating these 8 or 9 verticals, maybe 10 verticals. So let's say somebody says, the best police force in the world should be Bharat. Chalo, I'll get you in touch with some extraordinary police officers. Julio Ribeiro, the guy who eliminated terrorism in Punjab. चलो उनको इस वर्टिकल का ना अपन मेंटोर बनाते. And each mentor will interact for 1 hour every month with people who have shown incredible videos. Like when Sidhu is saying 1 million jobs, my responsibility to identify the chairman of an insurance company and get a face-to-face meeting between Sidhu and him. When Sidhu says, sir, aisa karne ka hai, and let the chairman of the company say, okay, let's see what we can do together. He doesn't have to go through the branch manager, his handler, etc., etc. Now, if you want to do something of that kind, join us. Few years down the line, you'll be very glad. Listen to today's video again. The 4 parts that I spoke to you about. Biggest fears are our biggest responsibility, biggest opportunities. Seekh lenge. The death of Mother Teresa. And in Kashmir, what they say about Rasuk, Rutba and Rob are the 4 parts of this session. Internalize it, analyze it, find the relevance, make some very important, powerful choices of your life, and believe your dreams will not be based on your present capacity, but on your potential capacity. Apply CRSE to reach there, and let's live a great life. Make this the best session you have ever taken in Keep Moving movement, or a best public speaking you ever done in your life. Thank you so much for coming. Love you all. Have a great session.